So today, my self-reminder to myself that I don't need to blow out someone else's candle just to feel brighter. And I just don't need to be the main character in everyone else's story. May naisip ako habang nagkakape ako at nag-self-reflect ng buhay-buhay for a personal growth. Kasi may natanong ako kasi bakit kaya may pagkakataon na intentionally or di naman kaya unconsciously tayo bilang mga tao ay parang biglang parang hinihipa natin yung mga kandila ng ibang tao. Parang iniisip natin na kapag nabawasan ng liwanag yung ibang mga tao, mas liliwanag tayo. Pero hindi natin nakikita kapag pinatay natin ang ilaw ng iba, mas dumidilim lang yung buong kwarto. I've been in a corporate world for many years now at isa sa mga bagay na napansin ko ay yung gaano kataas ang competition talaga. Madalas sinusukat tayo sa numbers, performance, rankings at results. Parang laging may hagdan na kailangang akyatin. At dahil sa sistema, minsan hindi natin namamalayan na unti-unti na tayong napapagod. Burnout starts. Exhaustion takes over. At sa sobrang focus natin sa pagiging better than others, nakakalimutan natin kung sino pa talaga tayo. Nakakalimutan natin ang tunay nating karakter. Nakakalimutan natin ang values natin. Nakakalimutan natin yung mga bagay kung bakit tayo nagsimula. May mga pagkakataon ding nakikita natin ng mga taong naninira, humihila pababa, o nagtatangkang bawasan ang tagumpay ng iba para sila ang mas umaangat. At kapag tiningnan mo ng mabuti, parang jungle ba? Para siyang kagubatan, survival of the fittest. Ang kaibahan lang, hindi na balahibo ang suot natin, formal wear na. May mga posisyon, promotion, titles, at pera na involved. Pero minsan, pareho pa rin ang energy ng competition na nakabase sa takot at kakulangan. At hindi lang ito nangyayari sa corporate world. Lately, napapansin ko rin sa mga ilang spiritual spaces, collective groups, na may mga practitioners na nagsisiraan, nagkakanya-kanya, o nagiging hostile dahil sa negosyo, clients, followers, at bilang observer, napapaisip ako, if spirituality is meant to heal, bakit nagiging battlefield din? Pero habang nagre-reflect ako, hindi ko rin naman masisisi. Lahat tayong may mga sariling pangarap, may mga sarili tayong sugat, at lahat tayo may mga sariling journey. Pero may mga lessons na paulit-ulit nagpapakita sa atin. Just like the Three of Pentacles, remind me that collaboration creates more than competition ever could. Tapos itong Five of Wands, na it teaches me that when the wands remain unhealed, competition stop being healthy and it starts becoming survival mode. At yung isa pa, yung last, itong the Eight of Pentacles, it keeps reminding me to focus on my own craft, my own growth, and my own path. Comparison steals joy. Comparison steals peace. Comparison makes us forget how far we've already come. Truth is, we all have different timelines. We all have different lessons. We all have different pacing. At hindi dahil mas mabilis ang takbo ng iba, nahuhuli ka na. Baby steps are still growth. Small progress is still progress. And your journey is still valid even when nobody is clapping for you yet. So today, my self-reminder to myself that I don't need to blow out someone else's candle just to feel brighter. And I just don't need to be the main character in everyone else's story. I just simply need to keep my own flame alive, because when one candle lights another, nothing is lost. The room simply becomes brighter for everyone. And maybe that's the kind of success worth building. Not success that comes from comparison, but success that comes from growth, authenticity, and helping others shine too.